How to make food for Baby Alive doll. Have you ever played with Baby Alive? Perhaps you have one and you have run out of food for the doll. Baby Alive food is quite expensive. This how-to will save a lot of your money and most ingredients can be found in your kitchen. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons baking soda or flour, 3 tablespoons water, 3 drops food coloring. Step 1. First, get out a mixing bowl. Then, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda in the bowl, making sure you don't add too much or too little. Step 2. After the baking soda has been added into the bowl, pour in 3 tablespoons of water. Step 3. Once you have poured the baking soda and water into the mixing bowl, you should have a delicious mixture for your Baby Alive. To give the mixture some color, add 3 drops of food coloring into the bowl. Step 4. Using a spoon, stir the mixture until the contents are completely blended in. While being careful not to spill it and make a mess, serve the food to your Baby Alive doll. Step 5. To make the food in a packet for mixing with water and feeding while traveling, mix food coloring and baking soda and place it in a tiny bag. To prepare the food, dump the powder into a bowl and add water, then stir and serve. Step 6. For Baby Alive juice that's in a packet, take a tiny bit of paper towel, color it all over with a washable marker of your choice of color, and put it in a bag. To prepare the juice, put it in water, mix it around until the water is colored, and take out the paper towel. Pour into the baby's bottle and serve. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.